Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to update your display adapter in your laptop or PC. Go to the start menu and type device manager and hit enter. In this new window, select the next option. Select display adapters. The first option is go to your or locate your product. For example, MSI, LG, Asus, model of your monitor. Right click and select update driver and click in the first option, search automatically for drivers. Windows will search your computer for the best available driver and install on your device. In this case, the best drivers for your device are already installed. Click on close. To apply the change, restart your computer. If your problem persists, you can try the next process. After you reboot your computer, go to the start menu and select device manager. One click, select display adapters. And select your monitor, select update driver and select the second option. Browse in my computer for drivers and select the second option. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and select one of this list. For example, in this video is VMware SVGA 3D and select next. If your monitor flashing is normal, Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Click on close and click on close. To apply the change, restart your computer. Go to the start menu and select the power off button and click on restart. Login in your desktop. And this is all. Your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.